right. This is the unboxing of Old Spice Gentleman's Blend, crafted to be gentle on the skin. So this is Old Spice's new variety of deodorants. They have the Gentleman's Blend. I'm not sure. I'm not a gentleman. I'm a rough man. But if they want to sell this for a gentleman, okay. So I just got this so I can try it out and see what they're talking about. This particular flavor is amber and driftwood. It's free of dyes and parabens with low residue. All right, made by Old Spice. Right here it says batch number 1980, recipe number 804. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but okay. It offers 48 hours of antiperspirant protection because it wants to keep you dry for 48 hours. Why not 24 hours? I hope no one is keeping deodorant on for 48 hours. If you are keeping on them for 48 hours, just leave a comment in the comment box. I can show you, or I can explain to you why you don't want to keep deodorant on for 48 hours. It's probably because you need to take a bath at least, or shower at least once a day, and that's like 24 hours. But I'm not going to get into that right now. You're going to go ahead and flip it on the back. And right here, one of the key ingredients is aluminum zirconium, all right, Galai, all right. That is the antiperspirant that keeps you dry, as well as a host of inactive ingredients there. All right, we can go over it. Sterile alcohol, mineral oil, a whole bunch of other things, petroleum, a lot of things in here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. After we look at the expiration date, this is supposed to last until November 2021, quite a while away. And I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Gentleman's Blend at the top. Of course, it comes with a safety cap. And I'm just going to either pull up this, or like what I like to do with deodorant is actually prime it first. Prime it right here. And then pull this back right here. And there it is. There is the deodorant right here, the stick. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up right here. Pull this back. It smells fresh. It smells like amber and driftwood. Alright, so this is the deodorant, the unboxing of Gentleman's Blend, crafted to be gentle, Old Spice. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.